Okay, how to connect to local SQLite database in HeidiSQL on your system. I have created here the SQLite database in this folder, and yeah, let's just copy all of this, copy the path, and then we have, for example, here the path, and this path will be used then in HeidiSQL later on. So I did already here. So the thing you do is go to new, then call it SQLite database, and on the top in the network deep, you can see here SQLite. And then in the database file names, you are going to probably just copy this file path and then open, and that's it. And I've already created something in the database, so this is the proof that this is the right database here. And in HeidiSQL we can now as well create new query and select everything from the employees table, and this will work. So yeah, it's very nice, and just try out on your end. So thank you very much. My name is Murian-Coush Addem, and you can always contact me. Thank you. Bye bye.